welcome back to my channel. I'm Rachel, the owner and creator here at the Eclectic Cottage in Spokane, Washington. Happy Sunday, everyone. For today's video, as you can probably tell by the table behind me, I have a thrift haul for you. It's not a huge haul, but we did manage to find some fun things and I wanted to share them with you. So I thought I would go ahead and do that today. So I am just going to get started on the items we found. Starting with this cute little hobnail milk glass fluted jar, container, vase, whatever you want to call it. I think it's called a compote. Anyway, I really love it. I think it's beautiful. I love milk glass. And this was at Goodwill and it was $4.99. So I grabbed it. And then I don't know if you guys saw the last YouTube video I did where I had updated some wooden boxes that I had laying around in my stash and given them kind of a patriotic makeover. So I've been kind of on the lookout for more boxes and I found this little guy at the Goodwill. It was $2.99. So I went ahead and grabbed that too. I think this would make a super cute little planter. I found this little set of wooden mirrors at an estate sale and they were $1 for the pair. So it was dollar day. So I went ahead and grabbed both of them. I will more than likely, sorry if I'm shining light at you guys, more than likely go ahead and paint these pretty colors. I might do some milk paint on them. We'll see. But anyway, for $1, I couldn't pass them up. I found this little brass container. I guess this is called a cricket jar, but I just thought it was pretty. I love the little detail on the top. It's brass. I always love the kind of vintage brass look anyway, and it was only $2.99 at the Goodwill, so I went ahead and grabbed it too. I thought this set was so pretty. I haven't done any research yet on it. I'm not sure if it's crystal or glass, but then they're very, very dirty, you guys. But they were at that same estate sale. And again, they were $1 for the pair of them. So I went ahead and grabbed both. I just thought this little cobalt blue owl was adorable. I was at Goodwill. It was $3.99, which is a little much, but I should still be able to make a little bit of money on him. And I think he'll be really pretty when I put my patriotic display together. I will tuck him in there somewhere. I love this color of glass, this kind of bluish green, but yet clear glass. And I saw this candle holder. It's nice and heavy, just really pretty. And it was only 99 cents. So I went ahead and grabbed it. Actually, it's a vase, you guys. It's a little bud vase. As I looked down in there and realized there's nothing to hold a candle. I'm sure you could probably jam a taper in there though, if you really wanted to. But again, for 99 cents, I went ahead and got it. Then I found this cute little wooden box, another one that has great planter potential. It was $1.99. It came complete with cobwebs. It's very dirty and needs a bath, but for $1.99, I thought it'd be a great little project piece. All right, now check out this adorable little frog, you guys. This was $2.99. It looks like it used to be painted, but it's older and it's got some lichen growing on it. You can see on the back. It's just kind of a cool little piece. I thought about painting it, but with all the organic material that's actually growing naturally on this guy, I'm going to leave him as is. I will probably tuck him into a pot out in the nursery and just put a little price tag on him. But I thought he was adorable, so I went ahead and grabbed him. I'm always on the lookout for metal watering cans. I found this one. It was $3.99. I can't remember if it was a half price item or not. It's cute, it's small, it works, it doesn't leak, I checked it, but it's got this really faded label on the front of it. So I will probably do something to it. I don't know if I'm going to paint it and make it more of a decor piece or not at this point, but I'm going to do something with it. So stay tuned, it'll probably be in a future video, but for $3.99 I thought, what the heck, I'll grab it. So I did. All right, this pot was at the Goodwill. It was $4.99, which is a really good deal. I can tell by the heft of it that this is an outdoor all year planter. So probably would be a lot more at a nursery. So for $4.99, I went ahead and grabbed it and I will put it outside with my plants, just kind of tuck it in one of my floral displays out there and put a price tag on it. And I'm sure it'll go like hotcakes. So hopefully anyway. All right, I found these mirrors. Sorry again if I'm flashing lights at you guys for at the Goodwill. They're again wood framed, not super fancy, but I really think with some paint they could be super cute. I love the fact that they're matching and they're made to hang either way, which is nice. This one was $3.99. This one was $2.99. So again, future project potential here. So stay tuned. They'll probably be in a future video. All right, my kind of homely chicken. He was $4.99, which is a little more than I would have liked to pay for him, but I really think he needs a paint job and he could be super cute. I think I want to make him look like concrete, just like a concrete statue. I did a rabbit like that a couple seasons ago, and you guys really liked it, so I'm probably going to replicate that kind of look on this. The gal at Goodwill was so sweet. She's like, I just don't know if I'm jiving with that chicken. So I know it definitely takes a certain kind of personality. You can see it's got just all sorts of weird colors in it. But I think he has potential, so stay tuned. Again, a good project piece. And then I found this really cute little folding, I'm sure it's a cake stand or cupcake stand or to go in the kitchen, but for me, I saw it and I thought, oh, potted plants out in the nursery. So chances are this will also find its way into a vignette out there. I might actually drill some holes in these for drainage, so if people put plants on there, the water doesn't get held up in these little trays, but it folds up to almost nothing, and I just, to me, it's a cute little plant stand. So, and it was only $4.99. Okay, you probably noticed this little bench that's sitting here. I got this at the estate sale as well. It's in a really sturdy shape. The top is ugly. It's got a bunch of holes in it. It's like faux leather. It's one of those where the top comes off. There's some really old, ugly paper in here that needs to go. And honestly, this isn't in the greatest shape. But I don't think I'm really going to mess with that, because who uses these to really store a bunch of stuff in anyway? I mean, it's good enough that if you wanted to put a couple magazines in there, it would hold them fine. You just couldn't put like a bowling ball on there. That might be a problem. So anyway, I am going to paint it and reupholster the top and make it super cute and pretty. And then that'll be that, and I'll put it out on my floor. So I'm excited to do something with it. And then while we're on the subject of benches, I also found this little guy. Again, it's in pretty decent shape, not thrilled with the top, definitely needs change. It's really, really dirty. But again, super sturdy little bench, a great opportunity for a personality piece, something to put some color and some fun fabric on, just to have a little accent in your house. So, and this was $7.99. Another cute little box potential for a planter. I honestly don't know about this one though, you guys. This one looks old. I don't know if it actually is old, but it just has the look and feel like it is. So I don't know for sure if I'm going to be poking holes in this one and making it into a planter or planter. I might just paint it up or clean it up and put some stain on it. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing with it yet, but I thought it was pretty. I liked the patina on the wood, and it was only $1.99. This planter is ugly, I think, me personally. I'm not a big fan of this gilded gold look all over, so it will definitely get a paint job, but it's glazed on the inside, so I don't have to worry about water seeping out and actually damaging the paint on the outside. So you could technically plant it and it would be fine. So I just thought it was a good potential for something, and it was only $2.99. All right, this big clay pot was only $4.99. I got it because I absolutely love the patina on the outside. You cannot beat when the iron deposits start to kind of show through, and some of the different things. It just gives it a really nice look. I'm going to clean it up a little bit and then put it out in my nursery. And then this gigantic vase with all the dirt and crust that's on it was at the estate sale, and it was only $1. So I went ahead and grabbed it. I'm going to probably obviously wash it and then keep it until fall. And then I might get some pampas grass or something fun to go in here, maybe some big tall sunflowers or something like that. So I figured it'd be kind of a fun centerpiece of a fall display. So I went ahead and got it. And last but not least, you guys, is my favorite item of the whole haul. It's this little chair. Oops, hang on. It's a little stiff to fold out, but this rust and this color and all the beautiful patina, I just think it's going to be perfect. Again, you guessed it, out in the nursery, maybe with a plant on it and surrounded by other little plants. It needs a bath, it's filthy. But this was also at the estate sale, and you guys, it was only $1. So I could not leave it behind. I think it's the cutest little thing. So again, I'm just gonna give it a bath and put it out there, surround it with plants, and I think it'll be a really cute little display piece. So it was my, like I said, my favorite item of the haul. Oh gosh, and my hands are now filthy, you guys. Oh my gosh, I've got to wash up. Anyway, that's it for my thrift haul for today. I hope you guys enjoyed all the little items that I got, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. I so appreciate that. And if you haven't already, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel, and then just, of course, hit the little notification bell so you don't miss anything. And then don't forget to drop a comment below and let me know if you had a favorite item in today's haul. It has to be the little chair, right? Anyway, just a quick reminder too, I do carry a full range of DIY paint and products here in my shop and online at www.theeclecticcottagespokane.com. You can go there and check it out. And if you're local to the area, please stop by, check out all the beautiful things I have here in the shop and also out in the nursery right now. And then let's see, Thursday's video is more than likely, hopefully, going to be at least 1 or 2 of the items that I have sitting around in my kitchen now waiting to get done. So stay tuned for that. I hope you can join me back here on Thursday for that video. Until then, have a fantastic rest of your weekend and beginning of the week. Thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate it, and I will see you on Thursday. Bye.